Basic fundamental of Python. So, all you need to know about the Python comments. Comments are an essential part of writing clean, readable, and maintainable Python code. They help document the purpose of code, provide explanation, and make collaboration easier. What are comments? Definition: comments are lines of text in a program that Python ignores during execution. Purpose: to explain code, document functionality, or add notes for developers. Hash: this is the comment. So we are going to use hash for the commenting such and code. Type of comments in Python: a single line comment. Start with the hash symbol and extend to the end of the line, commonly used for the brief explanation. Just for an example, this calculates the area of a circle, radius 5 and area so on so on, print area. Multiple line comments: Python doesn't have built-in syntax for multiple line comments. Like other languages use multiple single line comments or triple quote single line comments or triple quotes for the multiple as in workaround. This is multiple line comments. It explains the functions below. Triple quote strings as a comment. So this is kind of string as well as comment we can use in the Python. Why use comments? Code documentation: explain what a specific block of code does. Improve readability: helps others and your future self understand the logic behind the code, behind the function, behind the classes. Debugging: add temporarily disable part of the code by commenting them out. Debugging is the first thing you are going to do when you get hired as a software developer. Then after, you have to check each and every single line of this in debugging, basically to know about where is the actual fault in the program. So yes, debugging is very important. And commenting, the comment, that's why commenting is also important. Basic practices for writing comment: be clear and concise, avoid unnecessary details. Just an example in below. Hash good, hash calculate the sum of two numbers. So we are going to use like this. Hash avoid, hash this, add two variables a and b together and assign the result to the variable total. That's not a good way of writing a comment. Key comment relevant: update comments if the code changes. Use proper grammar and spellings. Ensure comments are professional and easy to read. Avoid over commenting. Don't state the obvious. Inline comment: comments can appear on the same line as code, separated by at least two spaces for readability. Yeah. Docstring: a special type of comments used to document models, classes, and functions. Writing using the triple quotes at the beginning of the code block. Okay, div create. This function is create that user by name argument. Comment versus docstring. Comments explain individual lines or section of code. Docstring serve as a formal documentation for modules, functions, or classes. How Python handles comments: comments are ignored by the Python interpreter and do not affect program performance. Docstrings, however, are strong as metadata and accessible